Pool maintenance in North Charleston, South Carolina is a constant battle against cloudy water, and here at SC Coastal Pools we see it more often than almost any other pool problem in this area. So what actually causes cloudy pool water in North Charleston? There are four main culprits, and the climate here makes every single one of them worse. The first is a sanitation issue. North Charleston summers bring sustained temperatures in the 90s with heavy humidity, and that combination burns through your chlorine fast. If your pool goes more than 7 days without being shocked, bacteria starts building up in the water. That bacteria creates particles too small to see individually, but collectively they turn your water hazy, milky, or completely opaque. The hotter it gets, the faster this happens. The second cause is poor filtration or circulation. Your filter's job is to catch those tiny particles and remove them from the water. If your cartridge is clogged with oils and debris, or your sand filter has started channeling, the water passes through without actually getting cleaned. In North Charleston, heavy pollen in spring and afternoon storm debris in summer overwhelm filters quickly, and if you're not cleaning or backwashing your filter regularly, cloudy water is almost guaranteed. The third cause is a chemical imbalance. High pH is a big one. When your pH climbs above 7.8, your chlorine loses nearly 20% of its effectiveness. Push that to 8.0 and your chlorine is working at half strength. High alkalinity above 160 parts per million can also cloud your water. And elevated cyanuric acid levels essentially lock your chlorine up so it can't do its job at all. North Charleston's frequent heavy rainstorms throw these levels off overnight. The fourth cause is sudden contamination. A big rainstorm dumps dirt, fertilizer runoff, and organic material straight into your pool. A weekend pool party introduces sunscreen, body oils, and sweat. Even your landscaper blowing grass clippings near the pool deck introduces particles that your sanitizer has to fight. So how do you identify how bad your situation is? If you can still see the bottom of your deep end, you're dealing with a light haze. A normal dose of shock and running your filter will usually clear that up within 24 hours. If you can see shapes on the floor but can't tell what they are, that's a moderate problem. Double your shock dose, check your pH and alkalinity, and run your filter around the clock. If you can't see past the first two steps, you've got a serious issue that likely needs professional attention before it gets worse and starts damaging your equipment and surfaces. The biggest mistake North Charleston pool owners make with cloudy water is throwing random chemicals at it without diagnosing the actual cause first. That wastes money and often makes things worse. That's where we come in. Here at SC Coastal Pools, we test your water, identify exactly what's causing the cloudiness, and treat it properly the first time. We also provide weekly pool maintenance for North Charleston homeowners so cloudy water never gets the chance to take hold in the first place. If your pool water has gone cloudy and you're not sure where to start, give us a call at 8438-067-838. SC Coastal Pools serves North Charleston and the entire greater Charleston area, and will get your water crystal clear.